Okay, today I am making a flan, and I think it's an egg custard. So you're going to use 1 bar of cream cheese, 1 can of carnation or evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed sweet milk, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 5 eggs, and then separate we're going to make the sauce is 1 cup of sugar. Okay, and then we're going to put all that in here, and we're going to add water so it can cook or bake in this. Okay, I'll show you in a minute. Under I have all the ingredients except the sugar. The sugar is going to be for the sauce. So the eggs, the cream cheese, vanilla, condensed milk, and the evaporated milk, and I'm going to blend it really good, very well, and I'm going to let it sit because it's foamy, so you need to just let that foam settle. Okay, now I'm going to make the sauce. It's 1 cup of sugar. That's all you need. Okay, no water. Just make sure that your frying pan or any saucepan is warm, and then put the sugar in there, and there's no water. And then the sugar is going to dissolve into a caramel sauce, and that's what you're going to need for the bottom of your cake pan. And then on top it's going to go the other liquid. Okay, there's the 1 cup of sugar, and I'm gonna just leave it on there, and I'm gonna wait until it becomes a sauce. Just keep moving it, because if not, it'll burn on you. Do not make it really dark, because if you make it really dark, it's going to taste bitter. Just make it like a light brown, and that should be fine. Okay, here is the sauce. Okay, it just has a few chunks of sugar, but that's okay. It's going to dissolve, and then you're going to put that sauce in here. And you grab a glove because it's very hot. Okay? And when you put it in here, you're going to move it like this, back and forth, so it covers the sides. Okay? Here is the caramel that I spread all over the cake pan. Please be careful because it's very hot, so you have to wear gloves. The caramel is very hot when you just take it off the heat. Okay, I put the flan, not done, just the flan, the liquid with all the ingredients. And then there's water in here. See? And I'm going to put a little bit more water when I put it in the oven at 350 for 55 minutes. Okay? Here's our finished or our cooked flan. I put a toothpick in it to make sure it came out clean, that it's already cooked. See, and it's already cooked. Okay. All right. I left it 5 more minutes. I said 55 minutes, but depending on where you live, I left it 5 more minutes because the top looked a little bit light, so I like the top to be a little bit brown. So there you go. And I'll cut a slice later. Just have to let it cool down, room temperature, and then put it in the fridge overnight or a few hours, and then you can eat it. I like eating it cold. It's up to you. Here's the flan. You see the sauce on the bottom? See? That's what you put on top of that.
Where's my phone? No.
There you go. And it's really good.
Charge my phone. Where's my phone?